Bonafide Hustler here, and yeah, my voice is kind of odd because it's cedar fever season here in Austin, Texas. Look it up on Google. I want to show you guys 5 things that I found at thrift stores in the past couple days. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my garage. I'm gonna show you 5 items today that I picked up in the past couple days from thrift stores. I think you'll really enjoy it. Make sure you hit the like button. And these should be, you know, these are pretty diverse kind of items in a sense. There are some outdoors items to bucks in here. But anyways, I wanna make this video so you guys can learn something. Maybe you can spot one of these brands at your thrift store or something like that. You can kind of see what I'm thinking when I'm thinking resale on these items. So most of these items will sell for around $50 or more. I think there's one item that will definitely sell for over 100. Let's check those items out. All right, first item, I actually found this today. All right, so after the gym, I went to the thrift store, found this cool Burton Snowboard. Should sell for around 50 bucks. Pretty nice. Has the center channel kind of mounts for the bindings. Pretty interesting. So that definitely means that this thing's probably within 3 or 5 years. Yeah, pretty nice board. 144 centimeters. Women's Burton board. A little bit of a chip up top, but nothing crazy. I bought this thing for around $8 today. Should sell for around 50. Could sell locally, and I could also bring it to a consignment store like Play It Again Sports. You know, if I just wanted it out of my garage, for example. So just something to consider. This is a really good selling item for at least the next 2 months. After that, yeah, I might be holding on to it for the entire summer. So my goal is to get it out of here as quick as possible. Next item is this Howler Brothers vest. Really nice vest. Primaloft interior, meaning it's not down, but it's a synthetic fiber that does kind of keep its insulation during moist times, right? Moist. Moist. Wow, what a word, right? But yeah, this thing is in great condition. This was $10 at a Goodwill. This should sell for around $60 to $75. Very good condition. Look out for this brand. This is actually an Austin, Texas brand right here. Howler Brothers. Awesome, awesome brand to resell. So check that out right there. I like that. So while you watch this video, just make sure you comment which item would be the item that you would want to find at your thrift store. Some pretty cool items I'm about to show you. Let me just show you this one right now because I couldn't believe I saw it. It was, I think, $4 out the door, maybe 5. I'm not 100% sure. It is really cool. I think it's worth about 50 to 55 bucks. Check it out. Booyah, look at that. That was at a Goodwill in the hat section. What you guys think of this? Is this a good brand, guys? Is this any good? Look at that. Look at that. Pretty cool. Nice little Filson hat. Great condition. CC Filson is an outfitters brand, and they make very high quality goods. So this hat right here should sell for around 50 to 55 bucks all day, and I'm about 4 or 5 bucks into it. So yeah, that was a really nice score right there. All right, for this next find, I'm going to bring you outside because it's already on the side of my house. All right, and here it is. It's a Schwinn Latour. Nice little single speed road bike, nothing crazy, flat tires. Who cares? It was, I think, 7 bucks out the door, something around there. And yeah, there's nothing special about this thing, but it should sell for around 50 bucks. Nothing crazy, but you know, I'll pick it up. Should be gone within a week. All right, so this next find is probably my favorite one. I found it today at a Savers, right after I found that bike. So let's check that out. And there we go. These are some Vasc hiking boots, vintage hiking boots in really good condition. Check this out. They look really good. I mean, they got plenty of rubber left. Nice tough leather. All the eyelets and guides are here, so you're gonna want to check those kind of things out when you buy and resell vintage hiking boots. Make sure you check out all the guides, all the eyelets. They all look intact and good. But yeah, this should fetch over 100 bucks all day long. This was 15 bucks out the door, and this is the brand called Vasc right there. You gotta be reselling this. A lot of outdoor items to bucks here, guys, but that's just the way it is. This stuff is easy money. The shipping is projected to be around $13 to $15. That's what's going on through my head. So I just wanted to show you 5 items that I picked up at thrift stores in the past couple of days. It's not the only things I picked up, but these are definitely, you know, some of the cooler items. So I wanted to make sure to train you guys a little bit on some stuff. I hope you find some of these things out there when you go thrifting. But till the next time, I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.